जैसे कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं, श्रीलंका इज़ अ वेरी गुड मार्केट फॉर इम्पोर्ट एज वेल. बहुत सारी चीज़ें विच यू कैन इम्पोर्ट फ्रॉम श्रीलंका. वी हैव वेरी गुड सेटअप नाउ इन श्रीलंका एज वेल अंडर अवर मिशन एशिया. Anyone would be interested importing any kind of vegetables and fruits specifically from the Sri Lankan market, right? Please put your request and get in touch with our concerned sales team. You can see varieties of products being exported from Sri Lanka as well, as it is located in a very good location, green location. You can see the beautiful bananas, chilies, cucumber, ladyfinger. You know, there are so many products can be exported from Sri Lanka as well. Those who would be interested importing any goods from Sri Lanka, please get in touch with our team who can help you out to import goods from Sri Lanka. It's a very good market to explore on. Right now I am in Dambulla. This is in the center part of Sri Lanka. It's a very well organized market where you can see varieties of fruits, vegetables, varieties of goods can be exported from Sri Lanka. Dambulla is strategically located in central part of Sri Lanka. So all around, all the farmers who are producing the goods nearby Sri Lanka, they bring their cargo to Dambulla, and from Dambulla it goes to Colombo to be shipped from Sri Lanka to other countries. People around the world would be interested in importing any kind of fruits and vegetables from Sri Lankan market. Please get in touch with us. We have very good team set up in Colombo as well as Sri Lanka, which can help out with the quality standards, which is more important. And it is more important that it should be timely supplied, because it is a perishable item which requires a sensitiveness about the export as well. We are one of the leading exporters from India, having strategic location pan-Asia, along with Dubai and Sri Lanka as well, where we ship across the Asian continent, and would be more interested to enter into European market as well by 2020. Right now we are on a mission Asia, where we are sourcing various kind of products from Asia and shipping to different part of Asia. Now it's the next market we are exporting is Europe. Anyone would be interested in any kind of import products from Asian market, specifically India, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Mauritius, right? Whatever product if you're looking for from Thailand, from Vietnam, please get in touch with us. There are altogether 3 domes with around 200 shops in Dambulla, which deals, most of them are working on commissioning basis. So they are selling on commission basis. Farmers bring their cargo by the trucks, small lorries. They distribute over here, and it is being shipped from Dambulla to via Colombo port, and they are shipping it to across the world. It's a very good market to explore for the exports. You can see the wonderful fruits what they have. They are also importing so many goods from India. So it's importing also very big market to take care of. The curry leaves, you can see the size of the curry leaves, which is absolutely very good. So there are varieties of goods they are exporting. So anybody would be interested, please get in touch with. This is Petha market of Colombo, mainly widely traded for the fruits and vegetables. Fruits vegetables की बात करें तो भी सबसे ज़्यादा ऑनियन और पोटैटो का ट्रेड हो रहा है. आप देख सकते हो लोडिंग अनलोडिंग हर जगह पे हो रहा है. पोटैटोज, ऑनियंस एवरीवेयर. मेजॉरिटी शॉप्स कमिश्निंग एजेंट बैठे हुए हैं जो यहाँ पे सेल करते हैं. बिग साइज इज ओके. दिस इज साइज
big, no big नहीं, not too big.
नॉर्मल.
Normal.
ओके. एंड व्हाट इज नॉट गुड?
This is not good.
Small size is not good.
Yes.
Potato.
It should be average like this.
Average like this. Average size should be this or
This is minimum.
between this.
Touch.
ये बेसिकली गैप रखी हुई है यहाँ पे,
Kept it wrong.
ताकि बेसिकली ऑनियंस मूड लगे और ड्राई लगे.
But you want to touch.
Our packing is very tight, so we need to have some gap during the packing.